What is?
The song that you like?
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. It's at the end of the CD.
We passed it.
No, we didn't.
Yes, we did.
It's the last song on the CD.
Well, then play it.
Okay, I am.
It looks so emo. When you see this, it looks really emo. No, we learned our lesson last time.
You're jealous of my emo dolly.
It's pretty cool. Her name's Molly, right?
Yeah.
Molly, the emo dolly. This isn't our song.
Oh yeah, it is.
Not that one. Oh yeah, it is. I know that song. Hold on. Hold on, this might be it.